Oh, look who it is. cakedbybabyk back with another video. Oh yeah, look at that hand motion. Let's go. She's gonna spray some Evian water on her face. Now she's got elf silly putty. She's putting this on her face, spreading it right there below the eyes, on the forehead. She's gonna work down, I think. Yeah, there she goes. The chin. L'Oreal. Let's do this. Now she's spreading it on her cheek. Ooh, squish, 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 squish. Yeah. Damn, she moves that hand so fast. Look at her go, going all around her face, on her eyeballs. Now she's just spreading that on her head. Look at that head. Her bald head. Flawless concealer. Now she's just putting this stuff on the bottom of her eyeballs, on the bottom of her chin, her nose. There she goes, working up to the forehead. And you want to make this little fan thing. See that? Now she's just dabbing it. Dab, dab, dab. All over the face. Yeah, so she's just blending all that concealer out so it looks like her skin, which is starting to look like. Looking very nice there. She's still got that fan shaped on her forehead though. She's gotta blend that right now. There she goes. She's working on it. She's working on it, people. There you go. Blend in that forehead. Oh, Laura Mercier. Nice. This is some powder. And I believe she is baking. And she's not baking cake. She's baking her face. I don't understand makeup terminology, but that's what she's told me. Now look at her bake. Cooking that face. Baking that face. Yeah. Bacon. I like bacon. Bacon, bacon. Bacon the whole face. Bacon. Hula. Now she's taking this hula stuff and she's putting this hula on her face. Ooh, ooh. Guys see that shimmy? Let's play that back again. Yeah. Alright. I think we gotta do that one more time, but slow-mo. Oh yeah. Now she has this floofy brush and she's just brushing her forehead real nicely. Look at those. Look at those clean strokes on the forehead. Looking good. Oh, now she's down to the nose. Floofy brush. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna need a replay on that. Now she's just putting the powder on her nose. I believe she's baking the nose. Now she's spreading the bacon. And now this liquid, I think it's concealer, on brush, on eyelid, right eyelid. Now she's just spreading that on her eyelid. Now the other side, left eyelid. She's spreading that on her left eyelid. Goof, poof, pow, pencil. Now she's just taking this pencil and drawing her eyebrows. This is a nice pencil to draw eyebrows, from what I hear. Now she's just moving on to the other side and just drawing her eyebrow with the goof, poof, pow, number 2 pencil. Anastasia lipstick. Just kidding, it's not lipstick. It's a brow product. And she's putting that on her brows. On the right and now the left. Mate Blush. Now she's just spreading the Mate Blush with a tiny broom onto her face. First the right and now the left. Now she has another tiny broom and just sweeping the rest of her whole face. Just making sure everything's nice and blent, as they say. Morphe Spray Paint. Ooh, she's very hot in that room. Ooh. Now she's just putting some shiny stuff on her face. Make herself pop and glow and glisten in the sun. Now she's just doing the same thing on her right eyebrow, above her right. Oh, now she's in her eyeball. Other eyeball, pink Tootsie Roll. Now she is just brushing her lashes, adding some extra volume, I believe. Villico eyelashes with lots of hearts. The back of it. Now she's just licking it, and then she's gonna put it on her eyelid. Ah, oh my god, ah. Now she's just doing the same thing that she did previously, but to the other side. Pink bold marker. Now she's just taking this marker and coloring in her lips to make them more pink. She's making real sure to fill them in all the way around, the top, the bottom. Now she's just topping it off with a gloss. And that is it. She's waving goodbye to you guys. Bye bye. Whoosh whoosh.